Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here to Wi-Fi section. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. To activate Wi-Fi on your device, you should click here once on the switcher, and that's it. After that you should select the network, one from these available networks. Just for example, I'll go with this one. Here you should enter the password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. And just to see the password, you can click here on this icon just to have some mistakes. After that, when you'll just check that, you should click here on the OK in the right upper corner. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select the one more network here by the same way, enter the password, click to connect, and after that you can just switch these networks if you want. Just you will have the saved password. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should open the notification panel, and here on the left upper corner of the top bar you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on this icon, and after that to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and you will see here the same settings, these available networks, and you can select by the same way one from the networks, enter here the password, and just to use this Wi-Fi connection. And after that, just if you for example wanna just to turn off for a while the Wi-Fi, and the easiest way this is just to open the notification panel, and to turn it on and to turn it off just by click on these icons here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.